Hi, I'm Alicia Williams. I'm a developer advocate at Google Cloud.
And I'm Jeff. I'm also a developer advocate here at Google Cloud. So we have this demo today talking about data science with Gemini and BigQuery. And this demo specifically looks at auto sales. So if you're looking at buying or selling a car, you might be familiar with something like this. Now, we start with historical sales listings, and we also have live listings. We also have vehicle images. And we throw all of this into BigQuery, a BigQuery pipeline. We do things like extract details from the images, we train a machine learning model for pricing, and then we end up with this really cool thing we call the deal score. Now this is all run on a Cloud Run app where a person has a search that says something like off-roading red truck. A vector search happens and they rank the results and it returns it to the user. Here's the app, here are a number of different listings, and we can see that deal score right here. Like these are some pretty good deal scores. And if we look at what the deal score is comprised of, we see three main items here. Market value, which is a traditional machine learning model that we trained to figure out, given the price of this listing, is it below or is it above average? Visual condition, that's a multimodal analysis of the images themselves, which we can see here, and they look pretty good, so we give it a 72, or actually Gemini gives it a 72. And then we have this authenticity score, and that's looking at the details in the listing, and we're matching this against a database of known enthusiasts and potential scams. So we put all of this together and we come up with this deal score. So it's a really intelligent way to buying and selling used items on this marketplace.
Putting multimodal analysis, vector search, traditional ML modeling, all within BigQuery, all with SQL, so you can do really cool, intelligent things with your data. Talking to attendees, it's not every day we get to come out and talk to people from all different industries, how they're using BigQuery. I had a data professionals meetup. We got to see people meeting each other that don't get to get out, so that was one of my highlights.
I think it's seeing what are the product launches that we're releasing, and then how are people reacting to them, talking to actual devs and seeing, do they like this, do they not, how can we go back into the lab and refine things based on what they're thinking. So absolutely loving talking to the devs here on the show floor, seeing our team and seeing Brad.